at this trucker. He has actually room to move left, but you know, he's just going straight into the construction zone. You're not allowed to do that, dude. Man, who gives you trucking license? CDL, I mean, are you kidding me? This is another thing, you know. I'm catching a lot of these guys. Some of them, they don't like my videos, you know, because they say you're catching people on highway. I don't. Just my camera catch. I don't even catch camera, touch camera. It's always going, recording all the time for my safety too. I have camera in the truck, right? Look at this guy, it's really slow. I don't know, maybe he's texting his honey and said, honey, make me some, get some of potato with the chips and like that, you know, but I mean, ketchup and mayo and stuff like that. No, he's driving normally, he's just enjoying his day. But you know, he just went over the emergency vehicles. You should change the lane, man. That's $400. That's your 2-day work.